A shopkeeper gives books on rent for reading. She takes a fixed charge for the first 2 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Latika, sorry, I was reading it as something else. Latika paid rupees 22 for the book for keeping it for 6 days, while Anand paid rupees 16 for the book kept for 4 days. Okay, I think those are your key terminology. Find the fixed charges and the charges for each extra day. So how do you start off with? Let the fixed charges be rupees X and extra charges, extra each or extra, how do I write it as charges for each extra day? Yeah. Charges for each extra day. See, everything is given. We just have to copy it. That's all. It's rupees 5. This will carry half marks. Right? People who are struggling, you can do all of these tricks, So a shopkeeper gives a book rent. She takes fixed charges for the first 2 days. So we are looking at something like this. Case 1 is to do with this. We have Latika for 6 days. So first 2 days is fixed charges, and after that is the extra charges. Okay, so that would be 2 plus 4, 6 days and rupees 22, right? Then we have case 2. Again, see, the given need not be very clear because given is mainly for us, for our convenience, right? So we have this person keeping it for 4 days. So we have 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, right? And this person pays 16 rupees. Okay. So yeah, it's very clear from the diagram what we have to do. So the working starts with talking about case 1. So what is the general formula? The charges is equal to, let me write the general formula first. Charges is equal to cost fixed charges plus charges on each extra day. Charges on each extra day. So we have case 1. In case 1 we have 22 bucks and this would be X itself for 2 days. See, the entire 2 days is fixed, not per day. So this is fixed charges. So 2 days is the fixed charges for the first 2 days that we can't change. So this 2 days put together is X. So you need not write it as 2X, it's just X. Okay. By default, if you give it that first day itself, right, she will charge you amount X. So this is not to be touched. But this is 4Y per day. See, this is charges for each extra day. So each day. This is for 2 days. This is per day. Please understand the difference. That's why you have to multiply with 4Y. Okay. And we have case 2. So this would be 16 is equal to X plus 2Y. It's a simple set of equation. All we have to do is subtract 1 with 2. So we have 1 minus 2. So you can directly write the difference. This is 4 is equal to 2Y. So Y is equal to rupees 2. So per day she's going to charge you rupees 2. And we have therefore X is equal to, I'm going to make use of equation 2, 16 minus 2 times of 2. This is because of equation 2, this information is from equation 2, so this is 4 and this is rupees 12. And at last we can end up with the answer. Cost of, what is it? Fixed charges, or fixed charges is equal to, not cost, fixed charges is equal to rupees 12 and per day charge is equal to rupees 2. That's it. Okay. So again, here the key thing is the diagram. It will help you guys a lot. And remember, this is fixed. That amount is fixed. Okay. So this fact has to be understood. Yeah. And this is where people get confused. This is per day and that is fixed. 2 days. That's for 2 days basically. Okay. Now you can pause and have a look. So any fixed amount for any, even with travel problem, the fixed amount you take it as X, like first 5 kilometers, it's X rupees. So that fixed amount has to be fixed. You should not be changing that. Right? It won't change 2X, 2Y, all that you don't do. You will get the right answer even after that actually, in a sense, if you have the right sense of doing it. If not, then you guys will mess it up. So that's why I'm asking you guys to fix it off.